Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and I am so glad that you are joining me today because I am making Pop-Tart cookies. That's right, Pop-Tart cookies. I know. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. So let's get started because you know what time it is. It's time to get cooking. All right, guys, so I will be using the strawberry Pop-Tarts today, but honestly, you can use any flavor you like. Brown sugar and cinnamon will be really, really good. But let me go over the rest of these ingredients with you and show you just how to make them. All right, guys, so these are all your ingredients, but I will put the full recipe in the description box below. But there is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 2 sticks of butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 2 tablespoons of sprinkles, and then your Pop-Tarts. So I've added my butter to a large mixing bowl, and make sure that your butter is at room temperature. And then I'm going to add my sugar, and I'm just going to blend these two together until it's creamy. And then I'm going to add my eggs. Then the vanilla extract. All right, then I'm going to add the flour. The baking soda and cream of tartar. So then I have 4 Pop-Tarts, and I'm just going to cut them into pieces. All right, then you'll want to add your Pop-Tart pieces to your cookie dough. And also add your sprinkles. And then I'm just going to fold the Pop-Tarts and sprinkles into the dough. All right, I have a 1 ounce cookie scoop here, and I'm just going to scoop them onto my baking tray that I have lined with parchment paper. Okay, now I'm going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Oh my goodness. These cookies are amazing. They're chewy, buttery, they're soft, and they're just delicious, and you can definitely taste that strawberry Pop-Tart. Oh, so, so good. So does this mean that you can have cookies for breakfast? Maybe. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.